Create cool masking transition. Masking in video editing is a technique used to hide or reveal specific parts of a video or image. By creating a mask, you can control which portions of the video are visible and which are concealed, allowing for more precise and creative editing. Masks can be created in various shapes, such as rectangles, circles, or custom shapes, and can be animated to follow objects or change over time. To create a cool masking transition, first, you need two video clips. Click on the Import button, and you'll see this interface. In this interface, select your video clips and click on the Open button. After importing the video clips, drag and drop the first clip onto the timeline. Double-click on this video to select it. Go to the Editing panel and click on the Mask tab. In this tab, you can select any mask according to your needs. I selected this horizontal mask and rotated it to 90 degrees. Move this mask to the left side of the video. Go to the Editing panel, turn on the keyframe for the mask, and play the video while moving the mask to the right side continuously. Keyframes will be automatically added to the video. After that, go to the Editing panel and set the feather to 25%. Move this video layer to the upper track, then drag and drop the second video clip onto the track below. You can now see the final output of this video.